Hey guys, how's it going? This is Tim, and today I want to talk about a couple cryptocurrency exchanges, mainly QuadrigaCX and Bitgrail, one of the ones that was stolen for Nano. And also I want to end with some Litecoin news and what Charlie Lee has in plan for the cryptocurrency. But just to start off, I think the overall trend of cryptocurrency right now is it's still in a bear market, and it has been in one for a while now, and the price has been dropping a bit more, and it is heading towards its bottom once again. And that doesn't mean much for us, but as it hits the bottom again, there is a possible chance that it's going to dip even lower. So just be careful out there. Don't bank your life on cryptocurrency. It is just a tool to use. It is not the end to all means. I think that is the right phrase. But to start off, crypto exchange QuadrigaCX goes offline, claims maintenance issues. So they did a status update recently on yesterday, saying that our site is down for maintenance. We apologize for inconvenience this may cause. Appreciate your patience, and we'll keep you updated as we know more. So, some exchange users have been unable to access or withdraw their funds for months. And now, no one can use it right now. Also, in October 2018, they have distributed a 19.6 million sum with CIBC, and they have been experiencing difficulties accessing 16.3 million of its funds since January when IBC froze 5 accounts belonging to the owner and their payment processor. So a lot has been going on with QuadrigaCX, and it's been a exchange that have been having problems for a while now. And even with the problems, there is an apparent death of its exchange's founder, Jerry Cotton. Now that is very unfortunate, but a lot of things are happening with this exchange, and it is probably not safe to continue to use this exchange if you are right now. And if you have some funds in there, when they allow you to withdraw it, it is probably best to withdraw those funds and just kind of stay away from these kind of dangerous exchanges. Now, I don't know if this is dangerous, but looking at all these informations and facts around and all these rumors going around the exchange, it is very possible this might not be a safe exchange to use. And there are a lot of exchanges out there that are not safe. So always be careful. If you're going to make trades and certain things like that, then make the trade and withdraw those funds out. Because as you guys have heard before, it is not safe to leave your funds in the crypto exchanges, as they can get hacked. They can get suddenly into maintenance mode, just like QuadrigaCX, and they could get sued, and so many problems that can happen to these exchanges, especially the small ones out there. Even the big ones like Binance or Coinbase can be hacked and can have a lot of problems in the future, but especially with the small exchanges, just be careful out there. And talking about small exchanges, the crypto exchange Bitgrail has been hacked, I believe maybe a year ago or a while ago, and the owner is sentenced to return the funds to the customers. So Francesco Ferrano, the owner and founder of the Italian crypto exchange Bitgrail, sentenced to return much of the assets to his customers as possible. So apparently they have been hacked 2.5 million Nano, and Ferrano was aware of it and didn't announce it until 3 months later. Another 7.5 million Nano was stolen. And so forth. Ferrano said, "This is not my fault. They should do the Nano developer team should do a hard fork to retrieve those funds back." And there has been a lot of problems, but ultimately he has to pay it back to the customers. And it might not be the most favorable things for those users, because Nano has dropped quite a bit in price. However, this is better than nothing. So it's fortunate to see this regulations and laws at work. And these laws and regulations are here for a reason. And sometimes it could be good, but sometimes it could be bad. So at least for the users out there that have lost from this exchange, you can get your funds back. And just be careful out there, as always, of small exchanges. Don't leave your funds in exchanges. Leave it in your own personal wallet. Be your own bank. And lastly, Litecoin creator Charlie Lee makes the coin more fungible and private. Now this has been going on for a while, but it is good to see that this is their focus going forward. Lee states that in a tweet, the fungibility is the only property of sound money that is missing from Bitcoin and Litecoin. The next battleground will be on fungibility and privacy. I am now focused on making Litecoin more fungible by adding confidential transactions. Now, confidential transactions is what is enabled in the cryptocurrency Monero. And the Monero is one of the most private cryptocurrency out there, but it is more expensive to use and it is harder to use. However, adding this confidential transaction to Litecoin, which is already one of the cheapest and fastest cryptocurrency out there, and not through a hard fork, but through a soft fork, I believe that's going to be something like an optional feature. For example, I believe Segwit, something like Segwit, was a soft fork in the beginning, but became a hard fork later. Wait, I might be confusing on that one, but something that doesn't interfere with the whole cryptocurrency. So what Charlie Lee is going to do is when he implements confidential transaction, not everyone has to convert to it right away, but I think it will be an option for people to do. And I like that idea because hard forks tend to cause a lot of problems, splitting into different chains. Litecoin Cash, that's such a facepalm. But that said, I like this direction that Charlie Lee is taking. Now, Charlie Lee has said this for a long time now. I have heard about this privacy and fungibility, but the thing is that he's going to focus on it now. So just like how the Litecoin and Charlie Lee focused on marketing and kind of the mainstream, not marketing, what is it? What's the word that I'm thinking of? The mainstream merchants for Litecoin in 2018. I believe in 2019, they're going to focus on fungibility, and this is going to be a huge feature as privacy is very important to sound money. And as Litecoin and Bitcoin goes closer to being that sound money, I think privacy will be one of the main features that draws people into this cryptocurrency. But that said, thank you guys for listening to me. I'll definitely bring you guys more updates on these exchanges, cryptocurrencies, and please leave some comments below on what you want me to cover, and I'll definitely take a look at that. But thank you guys for watching. If you guys want to support this channel, check out the links below, and I'll really appreciate that. As always, I'll bring you guys more deals on Daily Deals with Tim.